Hello, ResellSync family. In this video, I will help you upload your first inventory and also connect your first marketplaces. So you should have received an email with your login credentials. You can log in the platform with those credentials. You can start your trial, and if you like, you can change your password. So in this short video, I will show you how to upload inventory to the platform and also how to connect your first marketplaces so you can be up and running in just a few days. So if you go to the purchase order section on the platform, you can create a purchase order. So you create a purchase order for every supplier that you have. So you can have tradings that you buy, and you can also have channel if you buy them online or in the store. We can put it in the store. We can leave everything else as it is, just submit, and the purchase order is created. Now inside this purchase order, you will add the devices that you bought from this supplier. You have two ways. You can do a basic addition form, which basically is just filling every detail here, just this field and the grade, and that's it. You can add the device. If you add the device cost, it will be better because then you can know the profit per order you are making. So we have this way, but we also have a CSV way, a spreadsheet, which is much faster. So I have all these devices that I want to upload to the platform. These are the fields that are required. These fields are required. So I will show you both ways. So let's get this IMEI here. Let's do a basic addition just with the IMEI, and now we use, it's an Apple 12 Pro Max, so we put here Apple 12 Pro Max. This is a good way to add the devices if you just have one device that you want to add. If you don't want to deal with the variant, you can put mix. It's just a way to say that it's not important, the variant here. So you can just put mix, and also you have the capacity here, we have the color, gold, and it's in excellent grade. So we have the color and the grade is excellent. After you use everything here, you put everything, you don't need to put the cost, it's optional, you can put the cost if you like, you can add the device. So now we have the device added to the platform, and as you see, the SKU is automatically generated for you, so you don't need to add it. Also, I have this CSV, right? So I download a copy of this CSV and I upload it to the platform like this. Upload the spreadsheet, you browse the file, you click it, all the columns, it reads the columns, so everything looks perfect here. The device cost, we don't need it right now. The location and condition is optional, so it's not required. You click next, and then you have those devices here. You just click import, and import all the device, but not the device that we added before because it was a duplication, so it just ignores. So right now we have 10 devices on the platform. If you click on the IMEIs, you can go to their specific page like this. If you go to the inventory tab on the left, we can see all the devices here. So these are two ways to add devices to the platform. If you use M360, it can be another way to add devices. So we'll have a video about how to upload devices with M360. But for now, this is the essentials you should know to add devices to the platform. In the next video, I will show you how to list those devices. Thank you so much. Let me know if you got any questions. You can answer on the email. You can contact us on WhatsApp. You can also use this button on the left to get any support you need. So I will see you on the next video. Thank you.